today, barbecue. I have a wonderful ribeye steak, USDA prime. So it's a nice and marbly. This wonderful cut of ribeye steak. Now we prepare a nice rub and the coarse salt. And then it will be ready for the grill. First of all, I want to make sure there is enough seasoning, steak seasoning. We want to make sure we massage the meat very well. Now, coarse salt. Don't be shy on the salt. The way we're gonna cook is gonna be indirect cooking, so very low fire. All this salt is gonna be melting. Here we go. Now, while the meat is resting at room temperature, I will go and lit the charcoal. Gloves only when I have to clean or use charcoal. That's it. Then remove. One of these full of charcoal is more than enough for the barbecue. Fire is lit. Let's wait a little bit and then we take from there. We're gonna start to place our ribeye. Now I have the thermometer. This can hold until 500 Fahrenheit. I will put inside one of the steak. Yeah. I will set up what I'm cooking on my phone. So the thermometer is inside the meat. We're gonna set up on the phone. We need beef. Ribeye. We like to be cooked on the medium way. Start cook. Start cook. Here we go. The goal is to reach 145 Fahrenheit internal temperature, but I think I will remove a little bit earlier. This is the constant temperature that I'm looking. Voila. Now all the steaks are cooked. We're gonna let them rest at least for 2-3 minutes, and then they will be ready to be cut and eaten. Good. We can eat this good. Oh my god. Nice and juicy. Buon appetito. Of course, again, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell to be notified for more recipe. Ciao!